In this video, we will study the another method of separation that is known as the sublimation. Now, what is sublimation? Sublimation is a process in which a solid substance directly converts into a gas or vice versa, means gas directly convert into the solid without interconversion into a liquid. Such process is known as the sublimation, means the process of conversion of solid directly into a gas without interconversion into the liquid is known as the sublimation. So why this sublimation takes place, or how does this process takes place? So in some exceptional solids, they have very weak intermolecular forces of attraction. This sublimation takes place in only few solids, some exceptional solids which have very weak intermolecular forces of attraction. So some solids which have very weak intermolecular forces of attraction. Now what happens when they absorb very little heat from the environment? Then what happens? Their kinetic energy increases, and due to that kinetic energy the speed increases, and when the speed increases, the interparticular forces of attraction between them, they become less, and intermolecular space between them increases, and that is why they directly from solid they converts into the gaseous state. So what happens in this condition? When these exceptional solid substances, when they absorb heat from the surroundings, so when they absorb heat from the surroundings, what happens? This increase their temperature. When the temperature increases, we know that the kinetic energy also increase. When kinetic energy increases, the speed increases. When the speed increases, the interparticular space increases. When interparticular space increases, interparticular force of attraction decreases, and when interparticular force of attraction decreases, then what happens? They directly converts from the solid into the gas. So that is why these substances they directly converts from solid into the gas. Now examples of such substances are ammonium chloride, camphor, kapoor, then naphthalene balls, You must have observed the naphthalene balls when during the winter we keep them in our clothes. Then after the completion of the season, when again we take out our clothes, then what we will see? We will see that naphthalene ball is not there, neither we will find any liquid there. So these all are the some special substances which have the property of directly convert from solid into the gas, and these substances are known as the sublime substances. These substances are known as the sublime substances. Now one experiment is given in your book. In that experiment, suppose if we have a mixture of ammonium chloride and sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is the common salt. So if we have this mixture, then how we will separate this mixture, because this substance is the sublime substance. So for separation of this, we will use the method of this sublimation method. Now in this what we will do? We will take a watch glass. In that we will take the mixture of ammonium chloride and sodium chloride. Then we will put an inverted funnel on it, and the one end of the inverted funnel, it will be completely closed with the cotton plug, so that the vapors which will form, they will not move out. Now we will heat it. When we will heat it, what we will see that this ammonium chloride, it will from the solid state directly converts into the gaseous state, and these gaseous state it will remain attached at these places, and the substance which remains in this watch glass is the common salt. So in this way we can separate both of them. One substance is sublime substance and other one is non-sublime substance. So by the method of sublimation we can separate this mixture.